Good morning, guys. So it is our final day here, and we just spent the past like 2 hours packing up. So it's pretty empty now. We never got to have a fire, which kind of sucks. So rip our s'mores kit. There's Lou, but it's pretty empty in here now. Other than a few things that we still have to get. It's very empty and sad. And today our plans are either, well, it's a little bit loud. Our plans today are either the beach or the waterfall.
Yeah, I shook it a little bit.
Noah said something about
Jasmine,
the grotto,
we just beat this, look. Look how much cleaner that looks. Holy crap.
But I think you have to like go on like a hike there, and I don't really think Lucian wants to go on a hike. Plus I don't know if it's like safe, just because I've seen the grotto and I love it, and you can like swim in underwater tunnels and stuff, but I do not know if you can get there with a baby, so I think waterfall would be the best option. No, I just found the cutest moth. I'm trying to focus on it. There we go. He's so fuzzy.
He's got these thick legs. Man, that moth the other day was licking me with its extendo tongue, and that was scary.
He has those two little like things at the front of him. Makes him look like a Pokemon.
This is our new pet because he's basically on the verge of dying. He stayed inside all night. He has really big eyebrows.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Let's see his eyebrows.
They're so huge. I want to get a tattoo of a moth, so maybe that's the moth we'll get a tattoo of. So we're at this little food place. I don't know what to call it, but
it's like a food truck, but it's not a truck.
We got funnel cake fries with ice cream, and then we got a strawberry and a banana milkshake because we're gonna share both because Noah insisted we get banana. Yeah. And then they also got funnel cake fries and milkshakes. So we're at Sauble Falls. Basically, you can like walk all the way down it and you can jump in, but a bathing suit and I'm cold, so maybe some of them will have some fun.
The water's... How different do you think it is?
It's a little chilly. Don't mind my vampire body, but actually I am going in. I just got really hot, and watching people jump off the waterfall made me want to. I guess they inspired me. So, see me jump off a waterfall today. A little tunnel. Noah, the explorer. Wow, I bet we're gonna have to watch that show soon for Lou. Fun, fun. Where will he come out? Let us find out. Spotted. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. I miss you already. If you guys are wondering what Lou is up to, there he is. Mr. Sleepy Boo. What are you doing up there?
Just chilling, getting that nice burn.
Look at this good boy. He loves it. So cute. On a rock they sit. Noah! Rickman! Noah! Bye, Sobel. Bye.
600 meters, turn left onto County Road 1.
Jasmine, why is our GPS doing this?
In 500 meters, turn left onto County Road 1.
Why does it keep doing this?
It's me.
Really?
Yeah.
400 meters, turn left onto County Road 1.
Like, you just click out of it, and then you click on it. Well, guys, long time no talk. We just got back after a long 4-hour car ride. We're bringing everything in right now, but I'm just taking a second in the AC. Lucian's back to his playing, yelling self. Hi, baby. Are you glad to be back? Glad to be back and playing all day? Somebody was sleeping. We gave him a bath so that he doesn't have any beach left on him, and then he just fell right asleep. So we have Noah over here doing the dishes, and I'm about to make dinner. Can you guys guess what I'm making? In 3, 2, 1. So, if you guessed jalapeno poppers, you were correct. Ooh. I hurt myself so badly. The peppers are burning my thumb and my index, my pointer finger. And they've been burning for like an hour just from the stuff in the peppers. But it hurts so much and there's nothing I can do. I've tried honey and I've tried water, I've tried ice, I've washed my hands a million times. We don't have any milk. I don't know what to do. So we ate the jalapeno poppers. I'm still in pain, but we're going to bed now. I had a really fun trip this weekend, but now I'm very, very tired.
I'm good too.
Yeah. So we're going to bed now, and Lucian's been asleep since like 8:30.
So we'll be in bed for like an hour.
But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow.